Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Vibes.
It's great to have you with us again.
Our mission is to help you speak English fluently through a unique method we call the natural practice method,
And this approach blends listening and reading skills.
while also breaking down key vocabulary from the article in each lesson.
Exactly. And today, we'll dive into a short piece titled "The Present is Enough."
Should be interesting.
Okay, so let's listen to the text, and when we finish listening, we will explain the most important words in the article and use them in different contexts.
The habit effect. Habits shape our lives in profound ways. A single routine, repeated daily, can gradually transform our future. Good habits foster discipline, while bad ones create obstacles that hinder progress. People often underestimate the cumulative power of small actions, but over time, they lead to significant results. Developing positive habits requires consistency, patience, and resilience. At first, new routines may feel uncomfortable, but persistence allows them to become natural. Once established, habits function almost like an automated system, freeing the mind for greater creativity. However, breaking negative habits can be a formidable challenge. It demands both self-awareness and determination. Still, every effort invested in reshaping behavior strengthens not only character, but also one's overall well-being. In the end, the habit effect reminds us that our daily choices quietly, yet powerfully, sculpt the people we become.
Welcome back. There were some really useful words in there about habits and change.
Definitely. First up, we have the word transform. What does that mean in, simple terms?
Transform. Okay, so transform means to change something completely. Usually, it's a big change, and often for the better.
Right, like a really big shift.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here's an example. Studying every day can transform your grades from low to high.
That's a perfect example. Or, how about this one? The small seed will transform into a big, strong tree.
Nice. A complete change from one thing to another. Got it.
Okay, next word. Obstacles. The text mentioned bad habits creating obstacles.
Obstacles, right. So obstacles are basically things that make it difficult to do something.
Yeah, like a barrier or, just a problem that gets in your way.
Exactly. So an example could be lack of time is a common obstacle when learning English.
That's a very common one for learners. Or think about this. We faced many obstacles on the hiking trail, like fallen rocks and mud.
Oh, yeah. Things literally blocking your path. Makes sense.
Okay, ready for the next one?
Let's do it. The next word is cumulative. The article talked about the cumulative power of small actions. Sounds important.
It really is. Cumulative means increasing or growing by adding one thing after another. It's like the total effect of lots of small things over time.
Okay, so it builds up. Like the cumulative effect of saving $1 every day is a lot of money in 1 year.
Exactly. Each dollar seems small, but they add up. Here's another one. Small mistakes can have a large cumulative impact on the final project score.
Right, because they all add together in the end. Okay, cumulative. Got it.
Moving right along. Consistency. This is a big one for habits.
Consistency. Yeah, I think I know this one. It's like doing something the same way every time, being steady and reliable.
You got it. That's exactly right.
Yeah.
Reliability, steadiness, doing things regularly.
Okay, so an example. Consistency in practice is key to playing the piano well and developing good habits.
Perfect. You need that regular effort. Or something simpler, she waters her plants with consistency every Monday morning.
Like clockwork. Same time, same way. That's consistency.
Precisely.
Okay, next up is resilience. The text linked this to needing patience with new routines.
Resilience. This is a great quality to have. It's the ability to recover quickly from difficulties, problems, or setbacks. When things go wrong, you bounce back.
Bounce back. I like that. Okay, example time. After losing the game, the team showed great resilience by training harder for the next match.
Good one. They didn't give up. Here's another. If you fall down, you need resilience to stand up again quickly and try again.
So it's about being tough and not letting problems defeat you.
Exactly. Keep going.
Okay, what's next?
Let's talk about automated. The reading mentioned how habits can become automated, freeing up your mind.
Automated. Sounds like robots.
Huh. Well, it can mean done by a machine, yes.
Uh-huh.
But in the context of habits, it also means something done without thinking. Like it's become such a strong habit, it just happens automatically.
Ah, okay. So like second nature. Example, brushing your teeth is an automated task you do every morning and night.
Perfect example. You don't really have to think hard about it, do you?
Not usually, no.
Right. And for the machine meaning, the new factory machine is completely automated. It runs without a person touching it.
Okay, so two meanings there, done by machine or done without thinking. Both fit.
Now, how about formidable? This was related to breaking bad habits.
Formidable. That sounds big and maybe a bit scary.
It can be. Formidable means something that seems very difficult to overcome. Or sometimes it can mean very impressive and strong, causing fear or respect.
Okay, so difficult to deal with, like running a marathon seems like a formidable challenge to many people.
Definitely a formidable challenge. Or relating to habits. Breaking a bad habit can be a formidable task, but it is worth the effort.
Yeah, tackling something really tough. Formidable.
All right, next up, determination. This was also linked to breaking negative habits.
Determination. This sounds like strength, right? Like the quality of trying really hard to do something even when it's difficult. Having a strong will.
Exactly. That strong will, that refusal to give up easily, that's determination.
Okay, so an example. She studied late every night, showing strong determination to pass the exam.
Nice. She really wanted it and worked hard. Another one, with enough determination, you can learn any language or skill.
So it's that inner drive to keep going no matter what.
That's the one. Very important quality.
Okay, we're nearing the end of our list. Next is well-being. The article talked about habits strengthening character and our overall well-being.
Well-being. This is a lovely word. It basically means a state of being healthy, happy, and comfortable. It's about your overall condition, both physically and mentally.
Ah, so it covers everything, body and mind feeling good. Like this, eating vegetables and sleeping well improves your overall physical and mental well-being.
Absolutely. Taking care of yourself. And another aspect, good friendships and daily exercise are important for emotional well-being.
Right, so it's not just physical health, but feeling good emotionally too. That makes sense.
Exactly. It's the whole picture.
Okay, last word, and it's an interesting one. Sculpt. The text used it like, our daily choices sculpt the person we become.
Yes, sculpt. It's often used for art, like making a statue from clay or stone. It means to shape or create something carefully and intentionally, with purpose.
Shape or create carefully. Okay? So like an artist shapes clay. Example. A good teacher can sculpt the minds and characters of young students.
That's a great way to put it. Shaping them carefully and connecting it back to habits. We must sculpt our daily routines to achieve our long-term goals.
So we are like the artists of our own lives, using our choices to shape who we become.
Beautifully said. That's the idea. We actively create ourselves through our action.
Okay, that was quite a list. 10 really useful words.
Yeah, some great vocabulary there for talking about personal growth and habits.
So for everyone listening, here's something really important. To make these words part of your English, you really need to review this lesson.
That's right.
Well, repeating helps you remember things much better. It reinforces the new vocabulary, the structures.
And it helps move these words from just, understanding them when you hear them as the passive vocabulary to actually being able to use them when you speak. That's active vocabulary, and that's the goal for fluency.
Exactly. Repetition is key. So just a quick recap of a few words.
Okay, let's see. Remember transform. That means a big, complete change, right?
Yep. And resilience.
Yeah.
That was about bouncing back, standing up again after you fall or face problems.
And determination. That really strong will you need to achieve your goals, especially when things get tough.
Great. So keep those in mind and definitely review the others too.
Absolutely. Keep practicing, keep listening. Remember those small, consistent actions.
Like reviewing this lesson. They really do help sculpt your English fluency over time.
You've got this. Thanks for joining us on English Vibes today.
See you next time. Keep up the great work.